day everyone. Today, I'm going to talk about something very important in maritime navigation, the echo sounder. An echo sounder is a device used to measure the depth of the water. It works by sending sound waves down in the water and receiving the echo that comes back from the seabed. 1. Transmitter. Its job to create the electrical signal that produces the sound pulse is sent into the water. So basically, the transmitter is the one that starts the signal. 3. Receiver. After the sound travels down and comes back, we have the receiver. The receiver detects the returning echo from the seabed of or underwater objects. In simple words, it listens for the echo. 4. Amplifier. Next is the amplifier. Sometimes the returning echo is weak, so the amplifier makes the signal stronger, allowing the system to detect it more clearly. So its main job is to strengthen the signal. Display. Number 5. Display. Then we have the display. This is where the information is shown to the operator, especially the measured water depth. So basically, this is where we see the result. 6. Power supply. Of course, we also have the power supply. It provides the electrical power needed for the echo sounder to operate. Without power, obviously the equipment won't work.